I'm Pacchia, and these are your Bloomberg Law headlines for the week. First up, there's sobering news for big law firms out in a new report from Citi Private Bank and Hildebrandt Consulting. They say it's time to forget about returning to the boom years prior to the Great Recession. The report notes that billing rates, revenue, and profits per partner are all growing at substantially slower rates than prior to 2008, and signs are indicating a continuation of this trend going forward. Their advice? Start adjusting to the new market. The old one just isn't returning. Also, more news on LIBOR-gate. RBS Bank is facing up to $800 million in fines in order to settle allegations that employees of the bank took part in the rate rigging scheme, Bloomberg News reports. The head of markets and the investment banking chief for the firm may ultimately lose their jobs as part of the deal. UBS and Barclays have already paid almost $2 billion in fines for their roles in the scandal. Finally, the former chief information officer for law firm Mayer Brown and an outside vendor have been indicted on federal charges that the pair stole almost $5 million from 2004 to 2011. CIO David Tresh allegedly worked with IT consultant Nicholas Demars in a kickback scheme that ultimately cost the firm $4.8 million, the ABA Journal reports. That brings us to the question of the week, of course. Should law firms be outsourcing IT work in the first place, or is it just too much of a security risk? Tell us what you think in the comments. That's what we have for this week. I'm Pacchia. Thanks for watching. See you next week.